Did you know Spotify has over 550 million active users and 210 million premium subscribers? That's not just a crowd. It's a stadium full of people waiting to hear your content and maybe even fund your next coffee addiction. Now imagine this. You're sipping a latte and suddenly you get a notification. Spotify has just deposited money into your account. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, wake up because it's real, and I'm about to show you how to make money with Spotify. Whether you're a musician, podcaster, or just someone with a creative streak, there's a way for you to cash in on Spotify's massive audience.
Ready to tune into the money?
Let's dive in. 1. Release your own music. Spotify pays artists every time their music is streamed. If you're a musician, this is your golden ticket. Use a distribution service like DistroKid, TuneCore, or CD Baby to get your tracks onto Spotify. Fun tip. Even if you're not the next Taylor Swift, remember, every stream counts. So go ahead, drop that hit single, even if it's just you humming your grocery list. 2. Start a podcast. Spotify isn't just about music. It's one of the biggest platforms for podcasts too. Choose a niche, create engaging episodes, and upload them through platforms like Anchor, owned by Spotify. Monetize through sponsorships, listener donations, or subscription-based episodes. Humor angle. Hot take. If your friends think you talk too much, starting a podcast isn't just a career move, it's therapy they don't have to pay for. 3. Curate playlists. Did you know people follow playlists like they follow influencers? If you're great at discovering music or creating moods, build playlists and grow your following. Once popular, you can monetize by charging indie artists or labels to feature their songs. Just keep it ethical. Engaging hook. Think of yourself as a DJ, but instead of a nightclub, your stage is everyone's daily commute. 4. Sell merch through Spotify. If you're an artist or podcaster, connect your Spotify account to a merch platform like Shopify. Sell t-shirts, mugs, or even funky socks related to your brand. Fun example. Imagine someone walking around wearing your merch. You're not just a creator anymore, you're a fashion icon. 5. Use Spotify ads to promote services. If you're a business owner or freelancer, Spotify ads are a great way to get noticed. With Spotify's audience targeting, you can promote your services to the right people. Pro tip. Start small. Even a $50 ad campaign can reach thousands of listeners. And if they don't sign up, well, at least they heard your cool ad voice. 6. Collaborate with brands. Once you build a solid presence, brands might want to partner with you to promote their products. Whether you're a podcaster shouting out a sponsor or a musician creating jingles, this is a lucrative option. Relatable twist. Remember, a good jingle can make anything sound fancy, even a toaster. 7. Promote affiliate links in podcast or profile. If you're podcasting or have a growing music profile, include affiliate links in your show notes or bio. Whether it's gear recommendations, courses, or concert tickets, affiliate marketing can bring in extra income. Fun idea. Promote what you love, just maybe skip endorsing your questionable midnight snack combo of pickles and ice cream. So, which of these strategies hit the right note for you? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell for more creative money-making tips. And remember, Spotify isn't just for listening, it's for earning. So get out there, hit record, and start making money, one stream at a time.